Hello guys, welcome back with a new drawing. This is a very simple drawing you can see on the display. Let's start. First of all, select the sketch, select the plane. We are going with the circle command. Select the origin point, the diameter of 80 mm. Create the reference line. The slot width is 10 mm, so we are going to offset command. We are remove the relationship of offset command. Now that the center point of circle, there is a 52 mm. So create the circle, the diameter of 52, and trim the unwanted line. Create the circle of 10 mm and trim the unwanted line. You can see our slot is ready. Now you can see there is a slot is 4 side, so we are going with pattern curve. Select the line, select the center point. You can see our result. Trim the unwanted line. Now we are going to extrude the command. We extrude the object. The object thickness is 16 mm. You can see the extrude is ready. Hide the line. Now there is a 4 circle on the object. So first of all, select the plane on the top surface. Create the circle. Create the sketch command. Select the plane of the top surface. We are going to circle command with the diameter of 52 mm. And now we are going to create the line with the length of 50 and the angle is 45. And trim the outside of line. Before we are going to create the line, and now trim the unwanted line. Now create the circle diameter of 10 mm. Now trim the unwanted line. You can see. Now again we are going to pattern curve. Select the curve and choose a specify point. You can see our 4 circle is ready on the top surface. Now choose the extrude command. Distance is -16 and subtract from the object. You can see the result is ready. Now hide the unwanted line. You can see our 4 circle and slot is ready. Now there is a one hole on the center. Choose the sketch plane. Create the circle on the center with a diameter of 20. Now extrude command and subtract. You can see our hole is ready. We are going to hide the unwanted line. First cancel. Now select the line right side and hide the unwanted line. Yeah, you can see our result is ready. Now there's a rib on the both side like flange on both side of 8 mm thickness. So first of all choose the plane. Yeah, choose the plane on the center. Okay, create the circle with the diameter of 20. Again choose a circle with diameter of 28. Now select the extrude command. The distance is 8 mm. We are going to first extrude the one side of flange. In the drawing there's a both side of flange first. We are going to one side of flange do and after that on the back side flange we are going to draw. You can see the one side of flange is ready. So now we are going to second side of flange. We are going to draw. So select the sketch, select the plane. Okay. Now we are going with circle command. The diameter of 20. Now again choose the circle with the diameter of 28. Now going with the extrude command. the minus 32. Oh no, there's a 24, yeah, because 16 plus 8 plus 8 total is 32. So we are going to edit parameter, and distance is minus 24. Yeah, you can see the result. The both slide, the flange is ready, and our 3D object is ready. Thank you guys for watching videos.